Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install precision number 80811 N4520. That's the upper door seal for the driver's side of the 280Z Coupe N2+2. The passenger side number is 80810 N4520, and that will install in the same manner that we're going to show you today. Now this is our R&D door, kind of cut up. We're going to go ahead and take off the upper portion of the door. Now this is not required to install our part. We're simply doing it to more easily show you the process of installing the part. Tools you'll need are Let's get started. It is very important to note the orientation of the seal. The curvature goes towards the outside. So this is the driver's side, and the curve is away from the body. Before you remove the old seal, it is important to note the end point of the current seal, as that will be your starting point when you install the new seal. Also note that the notch on the seal goes on the A-pillar side of the door. We're going to go ahead and remove the seal now. Now this seal is one we use for test fitting, so it's relatively new. You can start by pulling on the fin, see if it comes loose. If not, we're going to go by and peel off the end. Now ours is going to come off relatively easy. As I said, it's a newer seal from test fitting. Yours is going to come off in pieces because it's dried out and aged. And you can go back with your Weatherstrip installation tool and remove any excess material that's left in the channel. We're going to go ahead and clean out our channel. We're going to use a general purpose adhesive cleaner. As you can see, our channel is already pretty clean from all the test fitting we've done with it. Now, if you have stubborn chunks of material left over, go ahead and use the Weatherstrip installation tool to scrape out any big chunks. Keep using an adhesive cleaner until you get it clean to ensure proper adhesion. One other trick you can do is actually put some adhesive cleaner right in the channel and let it sit for a little bit to really loosen up the material. We're going to go ahead and install the new part following an adhesive manufacturer's recommendations for installation. Things to note are the orientation of the seal. It curves away from the body. Also, find your mark on your trim because that's where you're going to start. We're going to go ahead and do a dry run without adhesive to show you the proper technique of putting the seal into the channel. We're going to find our mark. We're going to put one side into the channel. And then we're going to use our fingers at least to start it on the other side here. Now we're going to come back with our Weatherstrip installation tool, fully seated into the channel, and we're going to continue this process all the way to the back of the door. I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive into the channel. Then we're going to put some on the Weatherstrip itself. And per the adhesive manufacturer's recommendation, we're going to wait for it to become tacky. So now we have the seal fully installed. We're going to be working on the B pillar side of the door frame. As you can see, our part is designed to be a little bit long to account for any variances. We're going to go ahead and use a razor blade to cut the seal, as it's a foam EPDM, and it gives a nice clean flush cut, and we're going to match it up with the end of the door here. Now we just need to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cure time, and you're done.